Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are gonna learn how to make a program that add two numbers in Java language. So let's start. Open the folder, documents, example. We're gonna make Java file here, so we'll open cmd. We'll write here notepad, add two numbers. So don't forget to give the extension .java. It's very important. So pop-up will come. Click yes. So we'll start typing our program. Public class add two numbers. So now we will write here int stands for integers. Sum1 will give us value of sum1 20 and sum2 this will be 80. So here we'll type sum semicolon, then we will type sum1 sum2 system.out.print println. So here we will write, what should we write? Sum of two numbers. Okay, sum of two numbers. Don't forget to write this, it's case sensitive, semicolon. So our program is ready here. We will save it. Then our file is also ready here. We will write here cmd javac add two numbers.java. Our program is successfully compiled and we will write here Java add two numbers. Okay, our output is gained, and in the next video you will learn how to make a program that multiplies two numbers. And if you have any doubt, comment us and like and subscribe. Okay, bye, thank you.